And we checked out of our Airbnb super early, just packed our stuff, threw it in, didn't put on any makeup, which we didn't yesterday either. And we're going through the garage, which is $20 to get in, and we are hurrying because it's almost 10. The hauler line is crazy. It wraps all the way around there, all the way here, and that's after like 2 full lines on the inside. It's 1:44 and we're headed for the garage to get our car. We're gonna head back to NorCal. How do you feel?
I feel great.
We got our makeup done, we got a ton of selfies, and it was really different this time. It was way more packed, crowded. It was super, super busy, obviously, from the lines to get in. But we had fun and we are escaping the crowd. So I'm going to try to make this quick because I have to run. But instead of trying to do the whole haul, which I have a video of and I can summarize of what I got in my hauler bag, I'm going to do this giveaway instead. So here it is. This is the Be My Everything Blush and Bronzer Palette inspired by K-Beauty by Joa. We have a Rimmel London eyeshadow palette. Looks amazing, so I'm not going to try this because I only have one and I'm giving it away. There is this Impress press-on manicure, really cute, with a navy sailor design. A Slay mirror. This in this little packet is a Milani blush highlight. Target was giving away these fanny packs, which inside I have 2 Olay lotions, the Laneige water sleeping mask. There is the Le Monde beauty water and rose, and a couple other little samples in there. 3 Sally Hansen nail polishes. They look pretty cute. I'm also wearing a Sally Hansen nail polish, if that matters. And then one last CND nail polish here. Flash Metal Metallic Lip Waterproof Gloss. Clairol hair dye in a purple color. An Hourglass Mini Mascara. And a CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Microfine and Define Liner. And I'm happy to throw away a couple more masks because I have about 1 million of them. And all you have to do to get this is subscribe, like 3 of my videos, and comment on them. So hope to see you soon. Bye. Ooh, one more thing. Please also like me on Instagram at Lethal Passion. Thanks.